Let's do a short assignment on dialogues. Just two tasks. Ask a user when is their birthday through a button, and when they set a date, it should appear in the text view. Obviously, the date should appear in the right way. Like in our understanding lecture, we were okay with the toast message showing us month with one less than what the actual month was, because that's how Java gives us. But this time we'll have to make sure that the actual date, actual month is showing up. So this task is more about knowing where to do what. You basically know whatever it is to be done. You already know how to put a text to a text view. The only thing is you need to know where exactly will you be picking this date from, because that is important, and where exactly will you putting the final date on the text view, right? So what I've done is, rather than typing it out in the entire lecture, because there is not much here to type anything which is new, or there is not much of any logical reasoning that is required in this. What is required is just a short discussion, and that's what I will do in this. So what is happening here is I'm going to show you the design. This is the, let me zoom in. Yeah. So this is the text view. This is another text view, and this is the button. If you go here, you will see text view, and this is a typical text view which you have prepared till now. And then there's another text view. This is a linear layout with vertical orientation. The text in the text view is 4 times y, mm, and dd. So this gives a hint to the user that it's going to be the of this format, whatever the date they are going to choose. And finally, you can see that there is this the button is there, which is having on click attribute date, right? Let me go to the main activity and show you how this has been done. This is the date method which gets called whenever the user clicks on the button, and you have, this is the same method that has been used. There's only one or two minor changes which have been done, rather minor inclusions that have been done, so that you can utilize this entire method to make this happen. First thing is, I have just introduced an integer x here, which increments month of year by one. Sorry, does not increment the month of year by one, but it adds one to the value inside month of year and stores the value inside itself. And now this x can be now used to uh, show it on the on a text view. All right. Another thing is, the in this case, as the task wants us not to just show a post message, they want us to have the date shown on the text view also. So here I have declared the text view with name p display date. Here I have defined the text view with the ID of the text view in the XML. And finally, what I'm doing here is, after this integer x, where I incremented month of year value by 1, I'm using the variable p display date to set the text. Here again, I am with blank quotes, I'm doing typecasting of this year x and day of month variable, right? These are integers, but I can show them inside the text with the if I do a typecasting of them like this, the way I've done it by using the blank quotes, right? So this is what it is, and the toast message stays the wherever it is. We don't have to do anything with it. But for display text date dot set text, now we have been able to display the set text there. All right, so that's it. There is nothing new in this. The only thing which was there was we have discussed it. So basically you can, you can now set the date, time, and whatnot. So this was the practice session. Now let's meet in the next lecture.